If you want to use AI on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then what you need to do is you need to simply go to Settings, and then here you can find Galaxy AI. Now at first you might see an introduction, so you will have to scroll down to tap on Continue to open this list. So over here you can find pretty much the full list, or almost the full list, of different AI features that you have available on your Galaxy Z Flip 8, which are provided by Samsung. And most of the time you can go through these options to find some settings and even description on where you can find these AI tools. So of course the list is quite long, but let's say if I go to Photo Assistant over here, I can read or I can even check these three options. Actually, we have AI Eraser and Move. So over here we have the information that we can erase, move, and resize people and objects, then use AI to fill in at the background. When you generate an image or image content, the image you are editing, including any sensitive data in it, will be processed but not stored by Samsung. So over here, of course, the eraser, naturally, as you might figure it out already at this point, it is available when editing a photo. So you just have to go to the gallery and start editing the photo. Of course, here, for the most part, you should be able to enable or disable a couple of these different options. They might require you to have them enabled. But besides that, and also you might find some settings as well. So let's say if I go to the Note Assist here, as you can see, we have a couple of additional options. But generally speaking, you should be able to find all the information needed on how to actually make use of that specific AI tool that you have available here in Galaxy AI. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.